what we enable our clients to do is skip that and get to the point of quick iteration. I like to call this the first stop of the data. And in most sales cycles with an IoT solution, the hardest thing to do is get the first step forward. If you've got an opportunity or a project you're working on, and maybe a client needs to understand how much electricity their building is using. Think of like an office building, and there's refrigerators in there, and there's hot water heaters and HVAC pumps and all kinds of things that are using electricity. So let's say that that's the project. We're trying to figure out how much electricity this building is using so that the building owner can see what they need to reduce to help towards carbon neutrality and save energy, save, on their electric bill and all of that. So the first thing you would do is say, okay, well, I need to find a sensor that can actually do what you see on the screen here, which is monitor how much energy is being used, right? Sounds simple enough. The problem tends to be that now you go out into the wild, into Google or wherever, and you're searching for the right sensor, and then maybe you can purchase it. And then you also need a gateway. So you go and purchase the gateway. And now you've got these user manuals from each one that tell you pages worth of steps, what you need to do to make this thing work. And you've got to get a LoRa network server and spin that up and then connect those things. And then, all of this stuff. So what we enable our clients to do is skip that and get to the point of quick iteration. The most important thing that you guys need to be worrying about and figuring out is which sensor do we need to use and what types of data do we need to pull off of that. You can't even think about that if you're stuck programming hardware, waiting for it to be shipped from a manufacturer that speaks a different language, or reading user guides that don't make any sense.